In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and remove Slack from your Pipedrive CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the Slack integration, open its settings, and fully uninstall it so it no longer connects to your Pipedrive account. Let's get started inside your Pipedrive dashboard. Look toward the lower left-hand corner of your screen. You should see an icon with 3 dots, sometimes called More, or an Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This area is where Pipedrive keeps additional tools and settings that don't appear directly in your main navigation bar. Once that menu opens, look for the option called Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you install, manage, and remove apps and integrations that connect to Pipedrive, including Slack. Click on Marketplace to open it. It may take a second to load, depending on your internet connection, because it's pulling in a list of apps from Pipedrive's integration store. Inside the Marketplace, you'll see different sections like featured apps and search tools, but for removing Slack, we're interested in the apps you already have installed. Look for and click on the option called Manage Installed Apps. This section is dedicated to the integrations that are currently connected to your account, so it's the safest and most direct place to uninstall anything you no longer need. Once you're in the Manage Installed Apps view, you'll see a list of apps that are active on your Pipedrive. Scroll through that list until you find the integration named DealBot for Slack. That's the Slack integration you want to remove. When you see DealBot for Slack, click on it to open its details page. This page usually shows information about what the app does and how it's connected to your data. On the DealBot for Slack page, look for the Uninstall button. This is the control that will remove the integration from your Pipedrive account. When you're ready, click Uninstall. Pipedrive will now show a confirmation window to make sure you really want to disconnect this app. This is a helpful safeguard so you don't remove an integration by accident. In the confirmation window, you'll see the Uninstall button again. To finalize the process, click Uninstall one more time. After a moment, Pipedrive will complete the action and DealBot for Slack will be fully removed from your installed apps. At this point, Slack will no longer be connected through that integration in your Pipedrive CRM.